In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your first digital product on Sellfy. Let's start by signing in to your Sellfy account. Head to sellfy.com and log in. If you're brand new, take a moment to create an account and, if you like, start the free trial. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base for creating and managing products. From the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open the Products section. Click Add New Product. This is where you'll set up everything your customers will see and download. Next, choose the product type. Select Digital Product. This option is perfect for ebooks, templates, presets, videos, PDFs, and similar files delivered instantly after purchase. Picking the right type ensures smooth delivery and the best experience for your buyers. Now it's time to upload your files. You can drag and drop them straight from your computer or click Browse to select them manually. Sellfy lets you add multiple files, or you can compress everything into a single zip if you prefer. You can include up to 50 files per product. Before uploading, double-check that your files are final, clearly named, and organized so customers can find what they need quickly. If you're using a zip, place any instructions or README at the top level to keep things simple. With your files in place, add the product details. Start with a clear, searchable name. Think about the words a customer might type to find your product and include those naturally. In the description, explain what the product is, who it's for, what's included, and how to use it. Highlight the benefits and any requirements, like software versions or file formats, so there are no surprises. Then, set your price. You can choose a fixed price or leave it free if you're offering a lead magnet or sample. Don't worry, you can always revisit pricing later as you learn what works. Finally, add preview images or a cover graphic. Use crisp, accurate visuals that show what buyers will receive, such as a mock-up of an ebook cover or screenshots of templates. When everything looks good, click Save Product. Sellfy will add your digital product to your store right away. You can come back anytime to edit the title, description, pricing, images, or files if you need to make updates. That's it. Your first digital product is uploaded and ready to go. Keep refining your listing based on customer feedback, and you'll be off to a strong start. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.